Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
can you just imagine what is happening now? Imagine Ebubuagu and the vigilante people are fighting. You know, if we are talking this thing or if we are saying this thing, you people think that IPOB, they don't know what they are saying. It is happening now in Oba. The last time that Ebubuagu just open fire on innocent people, all of you just keep quiet. Now the same thing. They just open fire on vigilante people. They just open fire on the vigilante people. You see? What is happening? What is happening? It is high time our people should wake up to know that Ebubuagu, they are in suicide mission. Ebubuagu, they are not protecting anybody. Instead, they killing our people. And our people just think that hey, this is just to talk. Imagine in Oba here, they just open fire on vigilantes. Which people can accept this kind of thing? I said it that time. If we all do not join hands together, because only my neighbor, only is in Obasarog, only the other side is in Obasarog. You don't know when your own time is coming. You don't know when your own time is coming. How can a security personnel and the security personnel just what is happening? Imagine if these people are not even vigilante. Imagine if these people are not even this is how they just waste innocent people. And up to today, they are just talking rubbish, talking nonsense. What is happening to our people? Since they created Omoteko, I have never heard that they create fake one or they create any other thing. Since Al-Shabaab is operating, they are not killing their own people. What is wrong with Igbo people? Who are these Ebubuagos? Are they untouchable or what? Who are all those people? Why our people are keeping silent in this particular arranged suicide people? Have you ever seen who Ebubuagu save his life? Have you people ever seen it? It is high time the whole East will march out for these Ebubuagu people. They have started killing our people. Now we are not talking about Fulani men. Now we are talking about Ebubuagu. All this if you see vigilante, you don't know. When you see criminal, you don't know. What is all this? What is all these things? What is all these things? Why our people keep on allowing evil to be happening in our land? Why did they just continue allowing evil to be happening in our land? Ebubuagu is a clean squad. And it is high time we all will stand up for it. They started killing people in Abakaliki. You keep quiet. You thought that it is already in Ebonyi State. Imo, the same thing. About the same thing. Now it's over. When do you think all these things can happen? Why? In fact, I don't even understand. I have said this before and I'm continuing saying it. Ebubuagu, in fact, they are in their own mission because what they are doing is just open fire. They don't even ask. They don't even ask. These people are killing squad. Up to today, do you know how many people have you heard or do you know the people that is responsible for killing 14 innocent people? Is it not only one commander you are hearing they are doing you caricature? Who are those people? Are these people Ebubuagu living with us? Are they our brothers and our sisters in this Ebubuagu of a thing? So now we are not hearing Fulani herdsmen. We are not hearing. Now is Ebubuagu that's killing our people. Nigerian army are burning houses, destroying property everywhere. Now is Ebubuagu. Hi. And you people still not see what is wrong on it. You people still not see what is wrong on it. If you are happy of what is going on in our land, freedom, I'm not happy. I'm not happy because innocent people are just being killed for nothing. They are just being killed for nothing. When all these governors are establishing this Ebubuagu, we are the first people that condemn it because we know their mission. They are going to be the machineries that they are using. Imagine, even a blind man know if you see a vigilante petrol vehicle, you know. If you see them, you know. Are you telling me that this Ebubuagu that open fire on this vigilante people, they don't know that they are vigilante or what? To tell you that they know what they are doing, they are in suicide. They will tell you that they know exactly what they are doing. So I are saying Ebubuagu. Now we don't hear unknown government. It is Ebubuagu. Una fugo now. Una fugo even name is na Igbo now. Have you seen the reason why some of our politicians don't want to release our leader? Because a lot of you have, in fact, you don't know where you stand. That is why we are allowing all this evil to be happening. That is why we are allowing all these evil people to be killing our people. Last week, Ebony women, they are protesting because of this Ebubuagu. Some part of in our land is still keep quiet. It is high time all of us we march in the street to make sure that there is nothing to call Ebubuagu in our land again. Open say the vigilante chairman is even with them. Which kind of thing is this? Okay, are they coming to tell us now that they are bandits or what? Are they going to come and find excuse to justify the evil that they are committing? Or by you they have taken the chairman to their this thing, because this is unacceptable. And I'm calling all the people that is living. We make sure that these people, they will not go free. Now we go kind of be just killing people broad daylight, just like that. Just killing people just like that. Hi, they just open fire with no reason. No even they just hi. I'm saying this thing, and the young people will not understand. This Ebubuagu squad, they are missionaries. They are real missionaries. They are not part of us. Because I know a full-blooded woman cannot join Ebubuagu. A full-blood Biafran who his blood is flowing in his body cannot join Ebubuagu. I know their mission because they didn't want to wipe all the vigilante in Oba, because Oba vigilante, they are working seriously. Oba vigilante, they know their work. So that is why they got attacked today. That is why they send them to them. Without no asking, without nothing. They just open fire. You people, in fact, you people are not who you are again. We are not who we are again. It is area we realize this. We are not the people we know before. Because I'm sure that we don't tolerate nonsense. Especially when it comes to the lives. We don't tolerate nonsense. Yeah? Which kind of thing is this? Ebubuagu all the time. When is all this thing going to stop? They just formed another group, clean squad, killing our people. For nothing. Can you name one Ebubuagu personnel that you know? Can you name it? Can you name one personnel Ebubuagu that you know that is living with you? All those people, they are killing sport. Missionaries. Because the way they are operating, you will even think that what is going on. The way they are operating, you will even think, who are those people? Which kind of heart did they have? When you just see vehicle, you just open fire, just like that. When you see people gathering, you just open fire. When you say, what kind of thing is this? Which kind of thing is this? If we start now, they will say, hey, your people are fighting your people. But now, can't you say what is happening? Is the vigilante people, are they even IPOB? Are they even instant security network? As they are always claiming? Are they even the banditry that they are saying? Are you telling me that they don't know that these people are vigilante with their own petrol vehicle? It's not that they just sit one place, maybe they got suspicious. Even if you see a lot of group that is suspicious, you have to ask them questions. But they just open fire on these people. What is happening? And some of our people do not see what is wrong in this particular Ebubuagu. Anyway, sir, one word is enough for the wise. Thank you once again for joining me. My name still remains Freedom, aka No Biafra, No Life.
So, my quality people, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.